This question is looking for the top 25% of the tallest corn. So that number is going to be somewhere around here. Let's go ahead and draw a little line in there. 25% of this thing is going to be somewhere right around there. So we're looking for a z-score between 0 and 1. But now remember, the 25% top, we're not going to be looking for that number. We're looking for the 75% of the bottom, because the z-score areas only deal with what's less than. So we're looking for 75% on the z-table. Let's go ahead and pull that up. And here is something that's pretty close over here. I have 0.7486 that is generated by a z-score of 0.067. So 0.67 is our z-score. So let's pull out our z-score formula. And we know what this is, 0.67. And we substitute in our data that we already know. There's the mean, there's the standard deviation. And let's cross multiply and divide. Remember, 0.67 is over 1. When you cross multiply, you get that. Do a little bit of algebra, you get the answer. In other words, the top 25% of the corn stalks are at or above 2.968 meters. MGZ out.